I feel that my photography comes from that very personal place of me constantly trying to find balance, being clear and concise, having multiple perspectives. I was the lawyer for many years, but I got to a point where I just found that the contentious nature of it was just not the person that I wanted to be. I did really want to be creative. Architectural photography gave me a great way to explore, just do it at my own pace, at my own time. Being a young black man in Western civilization, I often have to wear a number of different hats. Me trying to maintain my heritage, but also forge a new path in a new blossoming world. And that's why symmetry has played such a large part in my work. Be prepared to revisit places time and time again, go back with different lenses and really work out which angles work. The way in which it interacts with light, the way in which it interacts with inclement weather. I love the fact that now you can take your photos and put them on either your phone or an iPad and edit straight in the Lightroom app on the go. Adding contrast in specific midtones allows you to pull out certain details and just add that ratio of texture to smoothness. I think the most impressive thing about the Thompson Center is a lot of people in Chicago who still don't know that this exists. And there's people probably working in this building who will see one of my pictures of it and be like, wait, that's how it looks? It just goes back to the notion of perspective and taking time to appreciate the things around you. Keep shooting and adding to the conversation of photography, like something new to it. The city is your playground. Play well.